In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Mcafee WebAdvisor browser extension. This useful tool is designed to protect you from potential threats while you browse, and the installation process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, you need to head over to the Mcafee Total Protection website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address. This is the starting point for accessing all of Mcafee's security products. Once you're on the site, you'll see options to explore various security solutions Mcafee offers. It's always a good idea to ensure your system is well protected with comprehensive security software, and Mcafee Total Protection is a solid choice. Next, you must log into your Mcafee account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts to enter your details. Logging in is crucial as it gives you access to your personal dashboard where you can manage your subscriptions and settings. Keeping your login information secure is important, so make sure your password is strong and unique. After logging in, navigate to the Mcafee Home section. This area provides an overview of your protection status and subscription details. Spending a moment here will give you insight into your current security settings and offer suggestions for improving them. It's always beneficial to familiarize yourself with this dashboard as it's your central hub for managing your Mcafee services. Now, let's move over to the Mcafee Protection section. This is where you'll find various protection features Mcafee offers, including the web protection options. From safeguarding your identity to protecting devices and managing your online privacy, Mcafee Protection covers it all. It's great to explore the options here to know how you can further enhance your security. Once you're in the Mcafee Protection area, locate the Web section. This is where your web security tools are housed. Being in this section ensures that you focus specifically on online threat protection, which is crucial given the ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape. Finally, click on Web Protection. Here, you'll find the Mcafee WebAdvisor browser extension. Follow the prompts to install it into your browser. This extension acts as an additional layer of security, giving you real-time protection against potential web threats. It's designed to warn you about risky websites, blocks phishing sites, and provides safety ratings in your search results. Once installed, it will operate in the background, providing you with peace of mind each time you browse the web. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Mcafee WebAdvisor browser extension. Remember, keeping your browsing experience safe is just as important as securing your devices. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.